Hey guys, and welcome to part 2 of the hostel special. Thank you very much for all your amazing feedback on part 1. In this episode we have block 22. We have combined block 1 and 2 in one segment. We have combined 18, 19, 20 in one segment, and of course we have the legendary block 17. So a couple of chill people from these blocks talk about their experience in the hostel, and we discuss a lot of fun stuff similar to the part 1. And guys, just as a disclaimer, the experiences talked about in this podcast are those of the individuals and not of the entire block as a whole. So just bear that in mind and sit back, relax, and enjoy this episode of the Almighty Podcast. So alright guys, welcome to the block 1/2 episode of this segment of the Almighty Podcast. And since block 1 and 2 are literally the same, I've combined them into one segment. So from block 1 we have Prisha, who is also a mechatronics student, and from block 2 we have Agraja, who's also a ECE student. So guys,
Yeah, why depressed?
what's up?
Nothing much. Just like you said, depression. Okay, whatever. Let's not get into dark topics.
And Prisha, are you missing your hostel?
Not really, honestly. My hostel was not like other blocks, not gonna lie. Three people stay in one room, no AC, and pretty much like not as good as any other block.
But on the bright side, this is an advantage for both of you. The location of block 1/2. You can.
Yeah, the
Location.
location was an advantage because, like, the moment you used to come out of your block, the workshop was right or there. You could, I don't know, just get into it and stuff like that. But then, and even the ventilation was like good. But then, yeah, some things like water facilities, which are very basic necessities, were not good.
But then, like, I'll be sitting in 8 a.m. ka class, and I'll be like, I'll call my friend from block 1. I'm like, bhai, tu kidhar hai? Kyunki she has not been, I think she missed that class for 2 weeks in a row or something. I'm like, tu kidhar hai? And she's like, I'm just getting up. And before the teacher reaches her classroom at 8:05, she's in the class.
Yeah, that's an
Yeah,
advantage.
that's
a
the
good
best part
advantage.
about it because FC and the NLH both are equally far from our hostel. So the location is a great advantage, but there are a lot of disadvantages except for that.
All right. So let me ask you guys this thing. Like from your hostel days from block 1/2, obviously, what are the most fun memory you can think of? Like anything you want to recall for the people watching, apart from
Okay,
bad
I
water
think
management?
yeah, that's a good memory too because okay, so we like our in our hostel we didn't have every student who was BTech, right? There were architecture design people. Few people were only the ones from BTech. So only we were the ones having exams. Okay, so I think my roommates were in chem cycle. I was in physics cycle. They had their bio exam or something, and they were fed up. I had my B exam. I was also fed up. So then we were like, okay, let's yell in corridors. We started going round and round and started yelling. And then we're like, oh shit, we are crazy. We woke up everyone and they're like, oh, what is this?
Was this
There was
during
even
August by any chance? FC2 screams.
no, that was different. We even had like someone put roses in front of our room and then knocked and left. I was like, what the fuck?
What?
Yeah, like they put
Oh
rose
my God.
petals, knocked and left. This used to happen a lot for us.
Maybe someone just liked you, dude.
I really don't know which one out of the three was the one was like.
Bro, love is love, boss. I'm sorry. But all right, so that's crazy, but yeah. What about you, Prisha, from block 1?
So I think the best memory would be just before exams, like the sessionals, and those 3 days of sessions, we don't sleep at all. And at night when we go near the water cooler and you find like someone else and like, yaar, ho gaya. That person's like, nahi yaar, yahan to lagi padi hai. like that, and that was the best part, that you could study together at least,
So
and किसी का भी नहीं हुआ होता, so it makes
basically,
you
those
feel better.
depression talks were like the best part for you.
Yeah, like you know, like
Exactly,
in block one,
encouragement मिलता है कि तेरा भी नहीं हुआ, मेरा भी नहीं हुआ.
हाँ. Block 1 and 2 were like the like social blocks. Block 20 to 21 में इन सब में बात नहीं करते थे
Hmm.
लोग. इन सब में मतलब एक advantage था हमारे पास कि people were social.
So apart from just depression during sessions, anything else which you guys can remember?
Oh, so like this, like during the, so our block was small, okay? Other guys, they have big blocks. So now for us, like at like 9:58 or something like that, they used to take, we have to put a biometric and sign, right? So like they used to check whoever's not signed, they used to yell across the block the names.
Oh Lord,
And
I know
everybody
this.
used
I
to
know
come.
this.
Yeah, and the voice was really bad, okay? So that was something which was very unique to our blocks. They used to yell our names and we used to run coming.
I know because like I had perm one day and I was walking back after like working and near block 1 or something. I just heard the water going Pranidhi. I'm like, what?
Oh yeah.
What is happening? So yeah, that's cool.
It's a small block now. Like if you start doing that in block 17 and 16, you'll be fucked. There's no way.
Yeah. So
Exactly.
let me ask you guys this. So every block has their own unique way of celebrating birthdays as such. Block 17,
Yeah.
16 is basically molesting the guy with cake and throwing eggs at him. What did you guys do different?
Oh, so I think I've seen a lot of say I've had only two birthday celebrations jitna we were there in campus. So that was just like, you know, we asked others to lend us their rooms, and then, you know, we decorated. Then there was another person's birthday. They asked for our room. They borrowed our room, and then there was cake everywhere, literally everywhere. And then we asked for tables. Like the caretakers were really sweet. They provided us with
Oh,
tables
nice.
and stuff. Apart from that, like I've seen there were like people on the I was on the first floor. There were people on the ground floor who actually, like, there was a lawn sort of in the middle of our block.
Yeah, I know, I know.
So they
I've seen you
actually
guys vibe
so
over there.
yeah, so like those people were they actually decorated the whole thing, like stuff, and that then they did the whole birthday thing. That was really nice.
What about you, Prisha?
So personally, I've never like really celebrated anybody's birthday in my block. But there was this room in front of us
Mhm.
during sessionals, and now this room has been decorated fully with all DJ lights, like proper
Oh,
DJ
wow.
lights and loud music. Like they have speakers, they sing 3 speakers in the time of sessionals, and they're just playing music loud and dancing for I think 5 hours
Oh
from
my lord, how do
12.
they have the energy, dude?
I don't know. The music was playing till 5 a.m. in the morning, and I was up all night because I hadn't studied anything. And I was like, bro, just shut up. Kal sessionals hai, bro.
Oh my god, that's the worst when you're trying to concentrate on some stupid subject like MOS or something and side में फिर अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
The light is like,
That-
and the
I
music is
swear.
like, I'm like, oh shit.
All right, so okay, so you guys have done a lot of crazy stuff in your blogs, right? But let me ask you, what do you regret not doing?
I didn't sneak out.
Yeah, I
But
didn't
are you
sneak out,
sure?
and it's
I've heard
not
of people
possible.
who you know, they tell their block 2 की wardens कि मैं बस scissors लेकर आ रही हूँ and then they spend the entire night in block 1.
No, that see wardens that they
The
don't
thing
show
is,
us our
block
face.
1 and block 2, you can go either other.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Huh.
there's a common area in between. So a lot of people, even the people around my room used to go to block 2 and stay there. That's not a problem, but going outside the 2 blocks is a problem.
Are you allowed to
Yeah,
vibe in the
because
common area at night?
yeah,
Hmm.
we can, but not after 12. They lock the doors.
Yeah, they lock after 12 to 31, depends on the day.
Yeah, like that. Then after that, even if you ordered food, you'll have to go and knock on the caretaker's room that, you know, come out, I have to go and pick food. Then they'll yell at you and taunt you for a minute, and then they'll let you get food.
Oh Lord. So Agraja regrets not sneaking out. What about you, Prisha?
There's a story in Block 1 near the place where the caretakers sit, there's a door. And when that door opens, there's a stairs which goes downstairs. Now, everybody used to talk that, so our room starts from 101, 102, that is on the ground floor. So people say, I don't know if it's a myth or just a rumor. People say ki if you go down, there's a ghost, then there's a suicide which happened downstairs.
I've heard of this. Is that actually true?
Yeah.
I don't know. There was the story is that there was this one girl who committed suicide, and that's why they locked the whole floor. There's a whole floor down Block 1.
I mean, like, you
I
can see
mean,
the window. We can see the
I
windows and
really,
stuff, right?
We can't see anything. We just know that there's a room and there's the caretakers go inside that room sometimes. It's just like a small door. And when you open it, there's a stair which goes downstairs. Now, what is downstairs? I don't know if the
And is
stair
that door
leading to
locked?
Yeah, all the time, except for like sometimes you just see that the caretaker is going inside.
Oh, dude, now I want to go to
Okay.
block 1.
Yeah, even I was so curious that I planned with my friends that one day I'm gonna go inside and sneak in, but I never got the chance to like sneak
Corona,
into
bro, corona. Hota hai.
that. Corona. We
Please.
had a
yeah.
common washroom, okay? So we had this area where this are like all you brush your teeth and you just can wash your face and do your skincare, everything. So I used to keep all my stuff there and just go to take a shower. And like this happened to me thrice. When I came back, my stuff was not there.
Oh,
So
Lord.
I should have taken better care of my stuff.
Please take care better.
This never happened to me. In fact, I left my ring once, like by mistake.
Oh, wow.
Really careless of me, but I got it back. Nothing
Hon-
happened to it.
Honest.
That's
My
good.
question over here is, why do you have a ring?
No, but that's my mom. I like my
Oh, okay, Lord.
grandmom.
Sorry, I thought engagement scenes. Anyway,
No,
so
not yet.
yeah. So thank you guys for coming on the Almighty podcast. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was
Really
fun.
enjoyed talking.
All right. So can you quickly ask the audience to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because I feel cool in saying that.
Oh, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Total
Please
YouTube.
like and comment and share and subscribe, okay?
All right then. Bye. So, all right, guys, welcome to block 18, 19, 20 ka segment for the Almighty podcast. Since I'm lazy, I didn't shoot separate episodes for 18 and 20 because all of them are the same. So, from block 19, we have Aryan Iyer, Chinmay, Marathe, and Mr. Moge, Shashank Moge, sir. Guys,
Hello.
Assalamualaikum.
Pranam, sir.
Walaikum Assalam, Pranam. Shashank, would you like to come up with a greeting of your own?
Hello. Yes.
I was expecting you to say hello word, but whatever.
Wow. Okay, Arinjay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Let me ask you guys, what is the most fun memory which you guys can remember from your block 19 days? And by the way, guys, for the viewers, I'm clarifying. Shashank was actually block 17 gang, but then he yeeted
Yes.
himself out and joined block 19.
I've seen
He
both.
came to
okay?
better
Like,
company. He came to
Excuse
better
me, sir,
company. It's
sir.
fine.
He left better company and came to like.
See,
But
he got Chinmay, so I'm sorry.
surprisingly,
Nobody
I didn't.
wins.
He
See,
got
I came
Chinmay.
for
Oh
the
lord.
AC. I'll be very honest. AC ka room mila, I came. That was that.
Mm-hmm.
See, up to all this time, we thought we were the reason Shashank came to block 9.
But no,
He
he
just-
came
You
for
guys
the
were
cold
also
air.
the reason, Chinmay. Like, AC though. Manipal ke what 30 degrees mein AC ka 22 degrees is nice.
And what about it? But what is the most fun memory from your block 19 days?
Mostly it is just for me at least because I don't know what these guys did in
Was
the
it
first
just AC?
semester. No, okay, so like me and like a bunch of people, I don't want to say smuggled illegal stuff into the rooms, but yes, it was fun. All I can say is it was a fun night.
Yeah, illegal stuff like toasters and
See, when you
things like
put that
that,
in
right?
context of Manipal,
Oh, yeah,
that can
dude.
be taken to everywhere, Shashank.
I
See,
remember that night, and I'm just gonna clarify puking was involved.
All right. So obviously illegal items such as toasters and printers and
Bro,
things like that,
I
right?
had a vacuum
Yeah,
cleaner.
clear,
What
clear.
toasters?
What the fuck? You had a bloody
Yeah.
vacuum cleaner?
Yeah,
What the fuck? That
I found one on.
cleaning Anna just came to your room to chill or what, man?
Bro, I swear I've kind of done enough work for him. Like he should have paid me.
All right. So what about you, Chinmay and Aryan? Fun memories from the block.
I mean,
Okay, so there was
honestly,
this one
okay,
time.
Chinmay, go ahead.
Okay, it was one person's fun memory, the other person's nightmare. Okay? So some people thought it would be a brilliant and funny idea to light aerosol on fire in
Oh
front of
Lord.
people, okay,
Oh
and
Lord.
burst crackers. So my dear roommate, okay, Aryan, he opens the door to fill his water bottle, okay, in the middle of the night,
Oh
and a
Lord.
cracker just goes. I come in, I see him sit next to the door as if his world is destroyed, as if he's in a post-apocalyptic world. Okay, now he's sitting there like, where have I come? What
Dude, I
has
got Vietnam flashbacks in that 1 minute. It
The
was
full.
not fun.
Oh Lord. It's like
And then
full
obviously we played. And then obviously
PTSD
we played chess all night.
because
Yeah,
obviously.
that's not even a
Yeah.
joke, by the way. We actually did that. There was a night before the first NSEMs. रात के 4 बजे तक we are talking. We are just chit chatting all the time, and then I'm like, bro, chess खेले क्या?
See,
He's like,
it
okay.
depends on which
We are sitting
subject
and
and
playing
sem it
chess.
is. If it's something stupid like MOS, then तो भाई मैं भी
maths.
chess खेलता. Hey,
It was
maths what?
maths.
Maths what, man? Maths was the most S subject out there, dude. We had formula, bro. I
I
hardly
may or
studied
may not have
maths.
failed that exam, so we will not put context to that.
Hey,
So
I did decent. Okay, so like let's go for it.
let's not talk about anything anymore. So guys,
Okay.
let me
Is
ask you
it
this thing.
rude to say F right now? Is
Yeah.
it rude?
Oh damn,
No,
yeah.
Chinmay, no.
It is a little.
F.
It is a little.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. So let me ask you guys this then. Like, so you
I
guys
like
have
how
done.
Aryan just glossed over my part of what was your favorite memory. He's like,
Oh
"हाँ,
fuck.
Chinmay ने बोल दिया ना."
It's
ठीक
okay,
है. He
Aryan.
left
It's okay,
it.
Aryan. I thought you were still in like shock over your F, but please, why don't you enlighten us with your favorite memory?
Uh, okay. So if you ask me like Block 19 favorite memory, there's not one that stands out, but it was just the entire process of like us going to class, us coming back, and then just sitting, all like 4, 6 of friends of us, just sitting in the room, chilling, and just having
Define
the
chilling.
best
You guys
conversations I
had
could ask for.
You guys had Chinmay with you. Please define chilling.
See, there were times
Playing
where
chess,
Chinmay
bro.
was sane, and I know it's very hard to believe. The guy can be the most sane person in the room, and like just that, those conversations at that time were some of the best times I had.
But did
Like
you
for
guys
me,
also
that was
have
like the
illegal
standout memory.
contrabands while having the conversation?
Sir, asthmatic.
He's asthmatic and he might
No,
as well be
by this
diabetic.
time I have memorized the phrase alcohol intolerance and asthma.
That's actually
Because of the number
Let's
of
get-
times people have asked me to get Aryan to go clubbing. Okay.
Oh Lord. Yeah, but not like you go clubbing a lot on your own, Chinmay.
I mean,
yeah,
I must say I have some commitments here and there, so I can't. But yeah,
So his commitments are like, so like let me flex over here, guys. So me and Chinmay are like, we are part of this like ISRO back team. It's called Parikshit, and yeah,
हाँ.
Oh,
वो
ho, ho.
flex
project.
करने वाले.
Okay.
Nothing
But
special.
Systems engineer of Parikshit misses checkmate in one. हद गरीबी की होती है इंसान का.
I'm just gonna beep
ठीक
that
है?
part out because
Yeah.
नाम नहीं खराब होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, no more flex. So let me ask you guys, how did you? I know the normal bullshit, ki, throw cake at each other and all, but how did you guys celebrate birthdays in Block 19?
मैं कुछ बोलूं क्या अरेंज है?
I
भाई
would
तू
say we
दो
had a
चीज
very
बोल.
bad example of that.
ठीक है.
April.
Me and Chinmay both our birthdays. Mine 6th April. This is Hitler's birthday. So both our birthdays were in April. The time where we planned out कि यार birthday मनाएंगे. We're gonna go celebrate in like country and like 4, 6 of us का birthdays were in April. We're gonna go together.
But you ended up celebrating
Go back
with
to home, sir.
you ended up celebrating with Amma Appa. No, be happy.
2020 ने हैप्पी
Hmm.
बर्थडे गा दिया बे हम लोग को. खत्म फिर.
But like in the hostel, you guys never celebrated anybody's birthday.
None of our birthdays were
There
at
were a
that time.
couple of, okay, so I remember this one incident. Okay, so my neighbor, one of his friends' birthdays was there, and
I
a couple
know.
of people who I didn't know from the block were also there. And then we had to light a candle. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and nobody really had a candle. But guess what we did have as Manipalites?
What?
Just an illegal stick
Okay,
of
let
substance.
me guess.
Similar substances, but break bad even further. Okay.
Chinmay, nice.
Oh
Nice.
Lord.
Cultured.
Nice,
Cultured
nice.
references, sir.
So
Very.
guess what? We basically stuck that stick in the middle of a stick and then lit it with a light.
See, Chinmay is part of Block 19's KKK. He's part of the cool kids club in Block 19. Me and
Nice
Shashank are
save,
the
Adi.
normies.
It's
I
okay,
would say
bro.
I'm backwards compared to most people.
I'd
Not
say
me.
there's one thing about Block 19 that's really good is that it has people for everyone. At least
Yeah.
this batch, it had
And
people for everyone.
yeah, so what you guys
Saves.
are right. I assumed I think that every block in Manipal had a crowd for everyone, right? Like Ayyar didn't like smoking or drinking or anything. There's definitely a crowd for that, like people who don't do it. Chinmay to नशे करके पड़ा रहता है. Shashank looks very सीधा साधा, but I don't know what goes on beyond.
Hey, I have tried stuff. Okay, like it's not like I'm totally Aryan. I'm somewhere in the middle.
Wow.
nice.
Okay. I am the start of the scale, it
But
seems.
let me ask you guys this thing: if you could go back as freshers to your first in the hostel, what advice would you give yourself?
In block 19?
Yeah, not you, Shashank. You can like think about block 17.
I mean,
Shift
I
to
knew
Block
pretty
19
much.
quicker.
No, like in 17, I knew pretty much everybody. Okay, not everybody, but like I knew a lot of people. I knew like almost 30 people within the first 2 weeks. Purely because there's like 2 elevators in the entire block. So like you just get to know people.
Yeah,
Block
fucking
19,
11 floors and 2 elevators.
yeah, block 19 mein there were 2 elevators but like 4 floors. So like I got to know probably like 4 people from the other
Buddy, there was
floors.
one elevator. Which block were you in?
So
Oh, was there? I don't know. I never
so
used it.
basically, in a block like block 5, Shashank will probably not know anyone because he meets everybody in an elevator, na?
Stairwells is good enough. Block 5 की तो बात हो रही है.
So what about you, Chinmay, Ayyar?
Okay, honestly, I wouldn't even give myself any advice because the way everything happened in Block 19 for me, at least personally, was probably the best way I could have imagined my hostel life to be. I wouldn't do anything that could change
You
any
sure
of it. It
about
was
that? You
simply
sure about
perfect.
that?
Massage
Yeah,
stick.
100%. See,
Not a
Chinmay,
single
it's
advice
nah, not really.
about
Chinmay's-
certain ways to close certain
Close
doors.
the door, yes.
Certain
Okay. But that was a bonding moment, okay?
That's a bonding moment.
I'll give context. I'll give context.
Yeah.
So the thing is, I'm not very good at closing doors quietly. तो मैं ऐसे बंद करता हूँ ना मेरे को आलस है. I just pull the door and I'm like, yeah, it will close itself.
Mm-hmm.
Incidentally, force applied equals to magnitude of sound, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it would close so loudly that probably the next door neighbors would hear it.
Mm-hmm.
So Chinmay was in one of his I'm a bitch boss mood, and he's like, I'm gonna crib about everything. And I closed the door once loudly. इस बंदे का दरवाजा खुला है. He gets up from bed ऐसे आधा and looks at me and he's like, "Are you capable of closing a door quietly?"
How? Please explain how that is a bonding moment.
अभी चिन्मय बताएगा.
Okay. Yeah, so as he said, I was in one of my bitchy moods. Okay. After a long, hard day of work at the Parikshit laboratory, state-of-the-art equipment is used.
All space, great technology we have. State of the art.
Wow.
Epic stuff.
So
Again, I will keep reiterating this as many times as you guys bring up Parikshit. Guy who's a system engineer can't mate in one. Genius move.
See, I mean, like he can do other kinds of mate in one move.
No. This guy is not capable for that also.
He's more
hello.
capable than you, Aryan, in this case at least.
Oh,
Okay,
I am the one wearing the Mahe jacket, so let us draw the lines there.
yeah, that is why you're a
Coming back to
chick
the
We are
model,
not
let's
talking
go.
about. We are not talking about chess,
back
sir.
Yes, sir. Back to Chinmay. Go.
Chinmay, please continue.
So coming to the bonding moment part. Okay, so like here's the thing: when you're in your college, you're gonna go through a lot of days. Some of them are bound to be bad, but especially when it comes to Manipal, you're gonna meet people who are going to improve you as a person.
Mm-hmm.
So look forward to that. This is my word to the freshers. Forgive the preachy attitude here, but it's just experience.
That's nice.
Honestly, I met some of the best people I know in Manipal in Block 90.
Hey,
That's
fucker,
all.
what are we, man? Parikshit Lab is simply sitting there.
Ancillaries and store
Other,
costs. and
other
store
than
costs.
amazing places with state-of-the-art space grade equipment.
Yes, like Parikshit Lab, where our team has met Sunita Williams, etc., etc.
Wow. Can I point out something I realized
Please,
or noticed rather?
please.
So when I was in block 17, security was like a top priority. Okay, like you had to lock your doors pretty much everywhere you go. So like you go to the bathroom for 2 minutes, your roommate is waiting outside. Doesn't matter, he can wait. तू पहले सब lock करके रख. Because there's been incidents where people's laptops have been stolen.
Yeah, I know that guy was crying a lot, dude. He was like, "Bhai,
Yeah.
please laptop
Dude,
वापस
that's
कर दे."
sad.
Yeah.
That's real sad. But then there comes Chinmay and Aryan ka room. Never closed. Like I've probably okay, and this is like the first room on the left. Okay, like you legit walk into block 19, first room on the left is their room. Never locked.
ये
I
चीन
have
में कोई परीक्षित का डॉक्यूमेंट चोरी कर लेगा, ब्रो, लॉक कर दे.
bro, but like nobody went into their room either. Like people, the rooms
Dude.
were so far apart and people were antisocial. Nobody even bothered going into their rooms. I mean,
No, but
nobody
about
who
Block
didn't
19
know.
वही है ना
But
कि the nice then actually I'd say the selling point, if there is one, of Block 19, you have space to interact with people, but you also have this retreat where you can just be by yourself,
Mhm.
and that's
That's good.
important.
That's
क्योंकि
very
you
good.
the
need your own
privilege-
cool down time.
It's like the privilege of having your own room along with having
A
a
roommate.
room.
Mhm.
And that definitely helped when it came to me and Chinmay, because मैं ऐसा बहुत ही overly extroverted इंसान हूँ. I keep talking given the chance. This
Yeah, I
guy
can see
needs
that.
his timeouts.
So
Hmm.
yeah, thank you very much, guys, for coming on to this episode. Did you like it?
Did I
Yeah,
like the
yeah.
episode? Yeah, sure, I guess.
Right.
Did you like this segment, Mr. Moge?
Ah, it was good.
That's good. That's
Thumbs
nice.
up.
So yeah, can you guys quickly ask the audience to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because I'm cool like that.
Okay, wait, let's do this, okay? Light.
Yeah. Yes. Somewhere here.
Wow. No, I meant one of us goes like, the other goes comment, the other
Oh
goes...
God.
Ah, okay.
My God, all of you suck at outros.
Okay, guys, so like,
Comment.
Share.
And subscribe. I don't know why I'm joining this, but sure.
Definitely not like I have vested interests here, but okay.
Not like you're a part of Team Almighty and you want
No,
them
no,
to
no,
subscribe.
definitely not.
Yeah. All right, guys. Bye. All right. So welcome to Block 22 ka segment, and with us from Block 22 we have the lovely ladies Bhavya Chaturvedi and Madhu. Oh fuck, Madhur Mishra पढ़ लिया था मैंने. Bhavya
my God.
Bhavya Chaturvedi and Mehak Mishra. So guys, what's up? What's new?
Nothing's new. We're rotting in lockdown.
Yeah, literally, it's been the same since 8
But
months.
aren't we all doing that? You guys are missing hostel.
Obviously.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Acha, so let me ask you, what is that one incident? Let's go turn by turn. One incident which you guys find the funniest or the most remarkable from your hostel life. You know, some crazy shit from Block 22.
I don't know about crazy. I really like this incident because it was really funny. The girls from the first floor, they ganged up, and
shit.
some girls from our floor ganged up, and then there was like
भाई
this
क्या
whole
गुलाबी
fight
scene चल
thing
रहा है
going
यार.
on.
I was going
They
to talk
had a
about
whole
that.
fight
Even
thing
I was
going
going
on.
to talk
Yeah.
about that. Yeah, it was crazy.
And
So,
then
Mehak
Neha,
and
they
I
had a
live on
thing.
the 4th floor.
Huh.
And so we were like the part of the 4th floor gang, you could say. And there were these girls from 1st floor who came upstairs. And then, go ahead, Mehak.
Just some stuff happened basically. So like the ones from our floor were mad at the ones from the first floor, and then yeah, they had like a whole thing. There was all like everybody
Was it
was
like an actual
shouting,
physical?
screaming. No, we don't do
No,
that
no,
here.
nothing of that.
Fair enough.
Then
Yeah.
the girls from our floor, they came up, they like locked themselves in their rooms, and then the girls from the first floor like came all the way upstairs, started banging on doors. They were like, I was in the shower. Some people came and banged on my like bathroom door saying, "Where is Ayan's room? Where is our room in the uska room and all that." So that was weird.
Okay,
Yeah, I
this shit.
remember.
Yeah.
It was. I think I had punched in and I came upstairs and Mehek was standing outside. He was standing in the corridor and you were the one who told me about what happened. And I'm like, what? And then I ran to Aryan's room and then I saw like there's so many people coming. It was
So
crazy.
many people. They came up the
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
stairs. It was
Holy
decent.
shit.
Yeah,
I mean, I
yeah, but
okay,
it was fun.
fair. Okay, I haven't seen this crazy amounts of fights, but I've seen, boys hostel में क्या होता है कि तूने मेरी बंदी से बात की और फिर दूसरा इंसान पूरा वो कबीर सिंह का म्यूजिक बजा के उसके रूम में पहुंच जाता है. This has actually happened. वो वड़ा वाँ वाँ
God,
वड़ा.
did Manipal actually do that?
No, I think it was as a joke and सबको बहुत मजा आने लगा था तो like yeah, it escalated a lot.
Oh.
So let me ask you one more thing. So what we've seen from Block 22 is that you guys have those crazy birthday parties, right? Like I've seen you guys like decorate the entire room and then like full candle lit dinner chal raha hota hai andar and then balloons and stuff. Compared to the boys' hostel, that's a lot. So do you guys have
Yeah.
do you guys want to talk about one of those crazy birthday parties over here right now? Any fun
I
stuff you did
think,
over there?
I mean, I don't know about crazy, but I think the most impromptu birthday that we have planned was Mehek's. So
Oh.
it was, I think, during Tech Tattva, and
Everybody
so
left. They went
yeah,
home.
so most of us were like we had those night slots for volunteering, and and few of us had gone back home. So it was just me and Swakshi. A shout out to Swakshi.
Shout out to you,
So
Sakshi.
and so literally this was at 11:40 or something when we decided that okay, we're gonna do something. And then Swakshi and I went knocking on like literally everyone's door on our floor, asking for anything that they had, like biscuits, cookies, like brownies,
Oh
chocolate
Lord,
syrup.
that's
We went to Ayan's room and she gave us like a 1 kg bag of sugar. I'm like,
Wait,
what are we supposed to
that's
do
so.
with this?
Are you
Yeah,
sure
more
that was sugar
importantly, why
though?
does she even have like a
Yes.
bag of sugar in her room? But anyway, so yeah, then Swakshi and I, we started melting chocolate in one of our kettles, and
Wait,
then
that
we
wasn't
stuck.
chocolate
What?
sauce.
No, we melted chocolate in
Oh
in
my
like
God.
Swakshi's kettle or something, I guess, and we stuck like hide and
Oh,
seek biscuits together and stuff, and we drizzled a little bit on top to make it look like
you
presentable.
you guys are like you
But
guys are really sweet यार because my friends they steal my food. मेरे लिए कोई खाना लेकर नहीं आता है हॉस्टल में देने के लिए but yeah nice यार. That's
No,
very
but
yeah,
like
sweet.
I think
the good birthdays in ours, like we spend like an hour decorating. We blow balloons.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
half the floor blows balloons, and then we put up streamers. We put up fairy lights. We get speakers. It's like a whole like 3-4
The
hour
whole
thing.
party scenario.
Yeah, that we had for Swakshi's birthday, and we had for Bhavya's birthday, where Shishti Soni had like a whole, you know,
Yeah,
but
Shishti, shout out to you
yeah, that
again.
was crazy.
yeah.
Yeah, shout out to Krishti.
Thanks for being awesome and coming on the podcast as well. Anyway, so yeah, guys, I'll confess I've actually been inside Block T2 एक बार and
You have been
let
Hey,
inside what?
I've been inside Block 22.
How?
Like people snuck
Are
you
you?
in.
No,
Like
it was
beginning
basic.
of Sem 1.
Yeah, basically I
Yeah,
wanted to see
yeah,
how
yeah,
the
I know.
girls live, and then I just like yeeted my way inside. But let me tell you, Block 22 is a hotel. No other way to describe it.
Pretty good.
That's true,
You
that's
gu-
true. Yeah, the rooms are pretty good there.
you know what got me really excited? You guys have lights on top of your bed. That's
Yeah.
that blew my mind. So yeah, that was crazy stuff. So guys, in the end, I'll just ask you one thing: is there anything you regret not doing in Block 22?
Sneaking out,
Um,
for sure.
yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's one thing that even I haven't done.
Yeah. Like we
It's
as
Okay.
also very
freshers in
difficult
Block
also to
22, we
sneak
didn't
out,
know
you know.
how to do it. Huh, it's very
Acha?
difficult.
Yeah, even
I mean,
I've
boys'
spoken to
hostel
a
is
couple of
very easy,
seniors
dude.
as well. Yeah, it's super easy with the guys.
Yeah.
You
It's
just like
even like
stamp and leave and they won't care now.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
I mean, officially they care. They care. They care. They care. We can't do that. I have never snuck out of hostel, obviously.
I'm a very sharif bacha.
So even like the repercussions are not that bad for
Mhm.
guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, are you guys sure it's just sneaking out, nothing else?
We haven't
Well,
really
yes.
played. I've seen guys play like cricket and all in corridor and all of that. We
Oh yeah,
haven't done all of that.
We
that's
have,
fun.
although we did have like a
TT
water fight
table.
sort of thing.
Yeah, and also the TT table where like a bunch
During
of us
Holi?
played a few times.
No, not during Holi.
No.
I say like before the NSEMs, we just had like a mini water fight. We had bottles and mugs and stuff, and we started throwing water on each other. Like that's the most sporty thing we've done there.
Yeah, I know that's exactly.
Chalo, acha hai yaar. So, thank you very much, guys, for coming onto the podcast and talking about your experience. Hope you guys had fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Thanks for calling us.
All right, bye.
नी दस की कसूर में तो होया तू अखियां तो
Guys, so now we are starting with the segment for the most lit hostel in MIT, Block 17, aka Best Block in Manipal. And to discuss Block 17 with us, we have two legends of the block, Kartavya Goel and Aditya Narayan, obviously. And also, we have Adit and Jui as our co-hosts again because I need company. And I want someone to laugh at my jokes.
I'm sure हम भी हंसलेंगे.
Yes.
देखते
So
हैं
guys,
देखते हैं पर उसको डेफिनेट है
guys,
कि हम तो पक्का हंसेंगे
हाँ वो तो तुम पैसे दे रखा हो ना तुम लोग को.
हाँ हमें
अरे
पैसा मिलता है ना उसके
एक
लिए
सेकंड, मेरी पेमेंट आई नहीं है सर, ये क्या चल रहा है?
So guys, let me ask you कि Block 17 में there are crazy amount of memories. कुछ भी चल रहा होता है, हर floor पे some new shit happens. So what is the craziest experience which you experienced in Block 17?
चलो मैं स्टार्ट. देखिए हम तो बहुत नॉर्मल बच्चे हैं, हमारे पास ऐसा ज्यादा कोई रहता नहीं करने का. लेकिन आई थिंक द क्रेजीस्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ वाज जब कर्तव्य ड्रंक आया था.
क्या हुआ था?
पहली बार.
भाई पहली बार था वो, पहली बार.
कर्तव्य was that was the first time Kartavya ever went out to drink.
Okay, 1 second. If administration, you're watching this video, this is totally hypothetical. We're
Yeah,
not talking
exactly.
about anything.
Yeah, this is not an actual situation. He drank water.
Definitely hypothetical. Definitely.
Hypothetically, Kartavya
Continue
went
the
out
hypothetical
and had
story.
a bit too much to drink, and hypothetically he somehow managed to make it through the block wardens and all that.
Mm-hmm.
और फिर Kartavya, being the lightweight that he is, despite his very heavy otherwise.
भाई पहली बार था इसीलिए.
कोई बात नहीं. तो Kartavya हाँ पी के आया, and Kartavya wasn't making that much sense. तो I think Kartavya जाके आदित्य के रूम में क्रैश किया था, I'm not wrong.
नहीं पहले मैं तेरे रूम आया था, फिर वहां से
अच्छा हाँ पहले Kartavya मेरे रूम है. मैंने देखा कि ये ड्रंक है, तो ना मैं इसकी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी नहीं
ये
लेने
ले
वाला.
खींच के ले गया मुझे.
हाँ तो मैं इसको भेजा आदित्य के रूम. फिर आदित्य के रूम में मैं और हमारा दोस्त उत्कर्ष जो फ्लोर 9 में रहता है हमारे उसमें वो भी आया. और देन वी जस्ट हैड फन विद Kartavya. हम उसको वीडियो टेप कर रहे थे सेइंग डम शिट, and we were asking him basic math जो वो फेल कर रहा था आंसर करना. like फिर हम लोग उसमें मजे किए. फिर we just baited him into saying stuff. फिर Kartavya फिर actually savage हो गया. फिर वो Kartavya आदित्य की लेने लगा बहुत.
Oh God.
और फिर आदित्य being the बेचारा सा बच्चा that he is was hurt.
Oh, ये कब हुआ? नहीं, I was never hurt भाई.
बहुत हर्ट था.
तू हर्ट था, कोई बात मुझे याद है तू हर्ट था. Kartavya बहुत savage बन गया था उस दिन. And that was about it, I think. भैया फिर हाँ that's it.
That's it. What about you, Kartavya? Apart from your drunk story, anything else?
मेरी नहीं, लेकिन भाई मेरे दोस्तों की है ड्रंक स्टोरी. Like one of my friends got drunk on his birthday. He came to my room and he just like started doing random stuff. I don't know what he was doing, but they spat in my dustbin so much it was like 2 inches of spit in there. By the end of the night, he was there the whole night. It was weird stuff he was doing. And then,
so I guess
the thing with
Block 17.
Block 17 में कुछ भी होता रहता है हर फ्लोर में. एंड हर फ्लोर में कुछ अलग हो रहा होता है. लाइक 8th फ्लोर में वो लोग फायर क्रैकर जला रहे होते हैं. 7th फ्लोर पे सब लोग मेलो म्यूजिक सुन रहे होते हैं. 6th फ्लोर पे गेमिंग में एक दूसरे को मार रहे होते हैं.
सबसे वियर्ड होता है
फुटबॉल चल रहा है.
9th फ्लोर का लॉकर, 9th फ्लोर का मिडिल वाला वो जो है वाटर फाउंटेन, उसके बगल में
है ब्रो. I don't think we can talk about that, but yeah, that is.
नहीं वहाँ में और भी कुछ चलता है, but fine, let's just leave
after
it at
recording.
Adit, since you are from Block 17 as well, why don't you tell us about your Block 17 experience?
ब्रो एक्सपीरियंस तो अपने इन्हीं लोगों के साथ का ही था मोस्टली. आई हैव one thing that I want to discuss about. It's related to birthday वाला part. So कर्तव्य की बर्थडे थी. ठीक है.
इसमें मैं नहीं था.
हाँ तू नहीं था.
तू क्यों नहीं
तू
था?
आया नहीं था, बुलाया था हम लोग ने.
मैं किसी और के बर्थडे पे चला गया था क्योंकि मैंने उसको पहले हाँ बोल दिया था.
ओके. So कर्तव्य का बर्थडे है ना.
प्रायोरिटीज
रिच कर गया था हम लोग को.
So कर्तव्य का बर्थडे और एकदम से कुछ तो हुआ, स्पॉन्टेनियस सा प्लान बना. इसके दोस्त वगैरह उन लोगों ने भी केक वेक मंगा रखा था, बैंगलोर वाले दोस्त. एंड देन हम लोगों ने ऐसे, मैं उत्कर्ष वगैरह सब लोग चले गए इसके रूम के आसपास. एंड देन वी कॉल कर्तव्य आउट. कर्तव्य कम्स आउट. ओके, बात हो रही है सब कुछ. वी गो अराउंड. पहले शायद एक दूसरे 315 या किसी में घुसे थे हम. फिर बाहर निकले. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द नेम ऑफ द गाय. कौन था वो बंदा? उसने हाथ में केक लिया. हाँ. ओके, ही टुक द केक राइट ऐसे. भाई
वो तो बर्थडे ट्रेडिशन है, हर बार होता है.
Oh God.
I got my revenge on his birthday also. So
just for reference about the force वाला part, this guy was standing, पीछे खिड़की थी. इतनी तेज मारा खिड़की के दूर जाके भाई केक गिरा था. कल सुबह दिखा था उसके अगले दिन सुबह.
Oh भाई.
बहुत दूर गया.
Yes, call it
crazy dude. And like
I would like to go on a leap and I would say, Aranjay, even you're from block 17. You can also tell us about a memory.
No, I am more of that guy who, you know, takes part in like all the activities which go on in all the floors, floor by floor. I don't have any
हम भी करते हैं.
So basically एक बार मैं कुछ ऊपर सब लोग नाच रहे थे, मैं अभी यहीं करके आया. फिर मैं नीचे आ रहा था तो मेरे सारे दोस्त एक दूसरे इंसान के रूम में जा रहे थे कबीर सिंह का वड़ा वाऊ म्यूजिक बजाते हुए, क्योंकि उसने उसके बंदी से बात कर लिया था. तो सब लोग जा रहे हैं. आई जॉइंड द क्राउड बिकॉज मेरे को भी वड़ा वाऊ करने का मन कर रहा था.
मैंने ऐसा कभी ये नहीं देखा. मैंने इस ब्लॉक 17 में कभी भी लड़की के पीछे फाइट कोई नहीं देखी.
अरे dude, it was for time pass, dude. In the end they had a rap battle. They didn't even fight each other.
Oh, by the way, सोने से याद आया. One fun fact about block 17, how it changes you. So I was that guy in the beginning. I used to sleep like at max 12. At max, I'm telling you. And right now we are recording. 12 पे तो start करी recording.
Not gonna lie, when I first came to block 17, I didn't know how to speak Hindi for jack shit. और अब देखो भाई क्या नर्चर किया लौंडे को.
भाई वो हो जाता है. सब लोग सीख जाते हैं हिंदी सीख.
What is the one thing which you regret not doing in block 17? I mean, like there are a lot of things which I regret not doing in block 17. What is the one thing you guys regret not doing?
I wonder क्या बोलूं. Well, एक चीज जो highly improbable है but could happen would be sneaking a certain person in.
I hope the gender is male. I hope the gender is male.
वो तुम खुद सोच लो.
It's not.
But the thing that I would like to do is actually sneak out. क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक कभी किया नहीं वो.
Same. I can't speak on this matter. I obviously haven't snuck out.
Yeah, obviously. But say hypothetically you were to.
Hypothetically, I were to. It's a lot of fun. My hypothetical self had a lot of fun sneaking out, but I haven't. So let's never talk about it.
Yes.
And what about you, Kartavya? What do you regret?
I don't know. I pretty much did most of stuff in block 17. Like I involved in everything. But one thing is, I didn't know many of my floor people well. I knew 4 people on my floor. That's all. I knew everyone from other floors.
इस बंदे को पता नहीं था सामने जो है इसके वो हमारी क्लास का बंदा था.
इसके सामने कौन था?
रिटम मेरे रूम के सामने बैठा था. मुझे अक्टूबर तक नहीं पता था कि वो मेरी क्लास में है.
मुझे तो पता भी हमारे ब्लॉक में है.
Oh Lord.
Also, I also regret leaving Kartavya's guitar in my cupboard क्योंकि और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था.
हाँ, वो एक regret है कि मैंने गिटार छोड़ दिया वहाँ.
R.I.P. guitar.
What about you, Adit? What do you regret?
Not
Adit क्या regret करेगा?
Block 17. It's more like college वाला regret कि
लोगों से बात नहीं की.
वो हमें जानना ही नहीं है. वो sad निबार हम लोग बाद में करेंगे. But just tell it to us because I want to be a jackass. Okay, and Juhi, I know you're part of block 17, but like let's just ask you, what do you regret not doing in your hostel life?
I don't regret anything.
अरे यार लड़कियों का ब्लॉक है.
ये जीने का तरीका होता है.
पूरा जी लिया इन लोगों ने.
No regrets.
बहुत
ब्लॉग देखो भाई बाहर से, हमारा ब्लॉग देखो।
अंदर से भी
हमारा
अच्छा
ब्लॉग
है, सुबह
आसान है
उठा भी
चीजें
होता
आदत
है।
करने में।
Arun Jai,
अरे
you
but
tell us,
yeah.
what did you regret not doing?
See, okay, so I've done lots of crazy shit in Block 17. One thing I regret not doing is ki in the September or October something, my friend made some really cool hot chocolate. Okay, so we were like, wait, this is way better than the night canteen. Why don't we sell this?
ये अरे बिजनेस की बात कर रहा है तू?
Huh?
ये कब हुआ था?
Why
मेरे को
don't we
याद नहीं है।
sell this? So then we actually did. We sold it.
Oh,
We made stonks. But then we thought,
nice.
wait, अगर हम लोग stonks बनाएंगे तो बंदी कैसे पटाएंगे? So we left that.
बंदी पटी क्या, लेकिन पॉइंट ही है।
नहीं, exactly, नहीं
बंदी
पटी।
पटी क्या?
इसलिए
और
तो
stonks भी
regret
नहीं मिले। Stonks भी नहीं मिले। So काफी डबल कट गया।
That's a lot of damage.
So I regret not continuing with that business. Not gonna lie, we didn't leave it because बंदी नहीं पटेगी, but we left it क्योंकि बहुत काम चल रहा था। काम बहुत रहा था, so we left it.
बट
I regret not
20
expanding.
रुपए वाले कप थे ना वो, ऐसे 20 रुपए के अंदर हॉट चॉकलेट पूरा का।
Oh, you know that? You've heard?
हुआ क्या? मुझे
मेरे
नहीं
रूममेट
पता
ने बताया था।
अरे
क्या
nice.
क्या देते?
Arun Jai feels
पता नहीं
very validated.
Yeah, I feel validated, dude. My business went so high. 7th floor तक लोग को पता चल गया.
कोई
Six
बात
six.
नहीं, 10th तक नहीं पहुंचे, 10th
Six.
तक नहीं पहुंचे, कोई बात नहीं।
Damn. Chalo, yeah. So, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for coming to this episode of the Almighty Podcast. Aditya and Kartavi, can you guys quickly tell the audience to like, comment, share, and subscribe?
Right,
Yeah,
everyone,
guys,
like
comment, share, subscribe,
and
like the
this is
Almighty
kind of-
Podcast.